welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy BUSD on your MetaMask. Now, once you've logged on to coinmarketcap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. You simply scroll down till you get to its about and you copy its BEP20 address, seeing as we're going to be working with MetaMask BEP20 BUSD. So you simply click on this copy icon right here, copy it, minimize and open up your MetaMask. And once your MetaMask is open up, or once your MetaMask has opened up, you simply switch the network out from the Ethereum main network to your smart chain. And once you've done that, your next step is to use the browser, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen here. Click on this browser and simply head over to your PancakeSwap. So we're going to be opening up PancakeSwap. The link would be in the description of the video as well. PancakeSwap. So you simply click on pancakeswap.finance. You then simply click on this connect icon here and proceed to connect your MetaMask. Click on MetaMask, simply click on connect, and boom, the connection is active. So now our next step is simply going to be clicking on this trade here. And once you've clicked on trade, we are going to be swapping out our available BNB for some of the BUSD. So you simply paste the BUSD contract address we copied, paste it here, and click on BUSD. And now we're going to be using 25% as $2 worth of BNB, which in turn is going to be giving us $2 worth of BUSD. So you simply click on swap, click on confirm swap. A smart contract call is going to pop in. You then simply approve of it, click on confirm, and boom, you can then simply click add BUSD to wallet. That's all it's going to take, and you add this token there, click on add token, and then simply close and switch over to your wallet, which is here, and boom, we've got our BUSD on MetaMask. Now, our next step or another means of getting BUSD is by simply using the Binance centralized exchange. As you can see, I've got a Binance account. And if you do not possess a Binance account, by simply using our link in the description of this video, you stand the chance to win $100 worth of trading fee rebates just by using our link alone. And once you've logged in and you've verified your account, all you need to do is simply click on this deposit here and deposit any of these listed cryptocurrency assets and simply use this convert here as well. Again, as you can see, I've got some USDT here. So if I were to convert $10 worth of USDT into BUSD, so let's go BUSD, click on BUSD, click on 10. And as you can see, $10 worth of USDT is going to be $10 worth of BUSD, which you then simply click on convert. And once you've converted, all you need to do is head over to your wallet, click on this spot here, reload for a bit, proceed to click on withdraw, select the BUSD, select send via crypto network, and in the space for address, you just open up your MetaMask once more, and you give MetaMask some time to open up, and you simply click on this BUSD token. Scroll down and click on receive, copy this wallet address, open up Binance again, paste that wallet address there, and the networks are multiple, so you select one. So we're going with the BEP20, and then you simply enter the amount we have, and then you simply click on withdraw, and your MetaMask would be, and your BUSD would be deposited directly on your MetaMask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.